Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you watched the previous video, you know what this video is about, right? You can see I have my Trust Wireless Sports earphones here with me. I won this from the spicy ramen noodle challenge I did with Kwame. So Kwame was talking big. In the end, I beat him and he got this for my reward. Honestly, I forgot about my rewards, so this came as a nice surprise. I'm just going to quickly open them, see if I can connect them to my phone, see if I like how they fit over my ears. It says it's sweat proof, and it says that it has quick access to the voice assistant of your phone and rechargeable battery with 6 hours playtime. I don't know if it takes calls. All right, we'll see. I'm gonna test it. So let's just get into the video. Enough talking. Let's open it. Yo, this is so hard to open. Okay. All right. You need to take this whole thing off and pop it out. Okay. Here we go. There's something else in here. And that's it. So we have the user guide. We have the headphones themselves, the earphones, with that's how it comes out. I've always wanted one of these, but I've never used it, so yeah, first time using these over the earphones. And this for charging, I'm pretty sure I can charge it with the brick of my iPhone charger, so no worries. Let's see, where is the charging place? All right, so we have this very small slot. Just take it out, pop the smaller part in there, and then connect this to whatever adapter or brick you have. So that's how you can charge it. Take this out real quick. And this is legal and compliance information. So here we have the manual and we have some legal and compliance information. I'm not going to read this now, I'm going to read this after. And some extra silicone to protect your ears in case you lose these ones. That's really thoughtful. Okay, let's see if it has a little bit of charge and if I can connect it to my phone. I'm not hearing anything. Let's see if the phone has been able to find it. Nope. Alright guys, I'm going to charge it for a while and I'm going to continue this video. So stay tuned. Guys, I charged it for like 20 minutes and 15-20 minutes. So now you can see it has this light showing. I'm going to connect it to my phone and try to listen to some music and see how it's going to sound. Okay, it's connected. It shows as Trust usan. Try to zoom in so you can see. And Here also we have the indicators. This is right, this is left. It should go behind like this. So I'm going to put it behind, put this in my right ear. I never used any of these before, so hey, I hope I do it right. Alright, and left. I don't know, this is not fitting. Also, wearing glasses can be really annoying when you have this kind of earphones. Okay. Fits good. I like the fit. Let's use it for... I'm going to play the same song I played with the in the previous video with the hammer headphones. So if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. It was late. I like the sound. I put it to almost lowest, but I can still hear, so that's really good. And I don't know if this one can make calls because I didn't check the description, but I'm just gonna FaceTime Kwame and see if he'll be able to hear me with this. So I'm gonna FaceTime him in a minute. Let me find him. Alright. Hello. Hey, I'm testing out the earphones you bought me as my prize. Can you hear? Okay, is the sound good? And how about now? Because I put it to very low. How does it sound? You can hear me? And now, well, I can't really hear you, but how about now? Okay, let me put it back to go low. Can you speak a little louder? Can you hear me? Alright, okay. And now? Alright, thanks, babe. Bye. Okay, guys, it's good. You can make calls, you can play your music with it. I have not activated Siri on this phone. I have it on my SE somewhere in the room. I don't know where it is. So I'm going to activate Siri on this one to test, or I'm just gonna connect it to the other phone and use it for some time and give you the feedback. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you got to the end of the video, big ups to you. Thank you. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, share to your friends. We try to do educational, informative content. I know this video is going to help a lot of people thinking of sports earphones to buy, so share it. You never know who needs this video. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you are first in line when we drop a video. And stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for sticking with us. See you in the next video. Ciao.